everyone. Welcome back to SpeakMint English.
Hey, 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 we are back.
I am Sarah, and as always, I am here with my favorite co-host.
That is me. I am Ryan, and I am very happy today.
Ryan, why are you so happy today?
Because I had a big breakfast. I ordered food this morning, and it was so good.
Oh, wow. That is actually perfect, because today's topic is about food.
Wait, really? That is so funny.
Yes, today we are talking about ordering food in English, like a pro.
A pro. I like that word. A pro means very good at something, right?
Exactly. So today you will learn how to order food in English, very easily, very naturally.
I am excited. Let us go.
But first, a small request from us.
Yes, please.
If you like this podcast, please subscribe to SpeakMint English.
It is free, it is easy, just one button. You can do it.
And please share this episode with one friend who is learning English.
One friend, just one. That is not too hard, right?
And if you enjoyed today's episode, give us a like. It really helps us a lot.
It helps us make more episodes, so thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, Ryan, let us talk about today's topic properly.
Yes, ordering food. I think I know how to do this.
Really? Tell me. What do you say when you go to a restaurant?
I say, give me food.
Ryan!
What? Is that wrong?
It is not very polite. In English, we use softer words. We say, can I have, or I would like.
Oh, that sounds much nicer.
Yes, and today we will practice all of this together, step by step.
Perfect, because I need this. I really do.
And listeners, you need this too. Maybe you go to a restaurant, maybe you order online, maybe you travel to another country.
English is everywhere. Food is everywhere. So this topic is super useful.
Exactly. Let us start. Okay, first, walking into a restaurant. What do you do first, Ryan?
I look at the menu. Very fast, very hungry.
Okay, but first, someone at the restaurant will greet you.
Oh, right. They say welcome or hello, how many people?
Yes, and you answer simply. You say, just one please, or 2 people please.
Oh, that is easy. 2 people, please. I can say that.
You can, and if you want a table, you say, can we have a table please?
Can we have a table, please? Say it with me, everyone. Go.
Try it out loud. Can we have a table please? Go ahead. We will wait.
Did you say it? Yes? Amazing. You are already doing great.
Now, looking at the menu, this is a big moment.
Yes, my favorite moment, menu time.
Sometimes the waiter comes too fast and you are not ready.
Oh, this happens to me every time. I need more time.
So you can say, can I have a few more minutes, please?
Oh, that is so useful. Can I have a few more minutes, please? Perfect.
Or you can say, I am still deciding. Thank you.
I am still deciding. That sounds so calm, so professional.
And listeners, try this one. Can I have a few more minutes, please? Say it now.
Come on, say it out loud. No one is watching. Maybe.
Good job, everyone. Let us keep going. Okay, Ryan, now you are ready to order. What do you say?
I say, I would like the pizza, please.
Oh, that is very good, Ryan.
Thank you. I learned from you.
So, I would like is very useful, very polite, very natural.
You can also say, can I have the pasta, please, right?
Exactly. Can I have and I would like, both are great. Both are polite.
And both are easy to remember. That is important.
Listeners, think about your favorite food right now. What is it?
Think, what do you love to eat?
Now say this. I would like the, and add your food. Go.
For example, I would like the chicken soup, please. Your turn.
Beautiful. You are ordering like a pro already. Now, what about questions? Sometimes the waiter asks you questions.
Oh yes, they ask so many questions sometimes.
Like, would you like a drink with that?
And I say, yes please, water is fine.
Great. Water is fine, or just water please. Very natural.
Or if you want something else, can I have orange juice please?
Exactly. Always add please. It makes everything sound polite and friendly.
Please is a magic word. Seriously, use it a lot.
And if you do not want something, you say, no thank you. Simple and polite.
No thank you, not just no. Add thank you. Big difference.
Listeners, practice this. No thank you. Say it nicely. Go.
Good. See? Polite English is not hard. It just needs a little practice.
What about if there is a problem with the food?
Oh, this is important. Sometimes the food is wrong.
Yes, maybe they bring the wrong dish. What do you say?
I used to say nothing. I just eat the wrong food and feel sad.
Ryan, no. You can speak up, politely.
Okay, what do I say?
You say, "Excuse me, I think this is not my order."
Oh, that is so simple. Excuse me, I think this is not my order.
Or, "Sorry, I ordered the soup, not the salad."
Sorry, I ordered the soup, not the salad. Very clear, very polite.
And the waiter will help you. Do not worry.
Listeners, you have the right to speak. Use your English. Do not stay quiet.
Exactly. Your voice matters, and your English is good enough. Use it.
Okay, now let us talk about paying the bill.
Ah, yes, the end of the meal, the sad part.
When you are ready to pay, you say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? In some countries, they say check, not bill.
Yes, in America they say, "Can I have the check, please?" Both are correct.
Good to know. I travel sometimes. I will use both.
And if you want to pay separately, you say, "Can we pay separately, please?"
Oh, that is very useful, especially with friends.
Listeners, say this. "Can I have the bill, please?" Try it now.
Go, go, go. Say it out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Did you say it? Great job. You are amazing. Now let us learn 5 important words for today. Ready, Ryan?
Ready. I love vocabulary time.
The word is menu. The word menu means the list of food at a restaurant.
For example, can I see the menu, please?
Good. Next word, order. To order means to ask for food or drinks.
For example, I would like to order the pasta, please.
Next, waiter. A waiter is the person who brings food to your table.
For example, excuse me, waiter, can I have more water, please?
Next word, bill. The bill is the paper that shows how much money you pay.
For example, can I have the bill, please? Thank you.
And last word, polite. Polite means you speak in a kind and respectful way.
For example, always be polite when you order food. Say please and thank you.
5 great words: menu, order, waiter, bill, polite. Can you remember all 5?
Say them with me. Menu, order, waiter, bill, polite. Go.
Listeners, let us do a quick challenge now.
Oh, I love challenges.
Imagine you are in a restaurant right now. The waiter comes to your table.
The waiter says, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
What do you say? Think about using the phrases from today.
Maybe you say, "Yes, I would like the chicken sandwich, please."
Or maybe, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Both are correct. Both are great. You decide.
Say your answer out loud, right now. Come on.
We are waiting. Really, we will wait.
Did you answer? Yes? That is wonderful. You just ordered food in English.
Look at you, ordering food like a total pro.
Okay, let us do a quick recap. We covered a lot today.
We did. I learned things too, honestly.
First, greeting and getting a table. You say, "Can we have a table, please?"
Easy, simple, love it.
Second, looking at the menu. If you need time, say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
No more panic at the menu. Now we have words.
Third, ordering food. Use "I would like" or "Can I have?"
Polite and easy. Perfect combination.
Fourth, answering the waiter's questions. Use "Yes, please" or "No, thank you."
And always, always add please and thank you. Always.
Fifth, fixing a wrong order. Say, "Excuse me, I think this is not my order."
Speak up. Your English is good. Use it.
And sixth, paying the bill. "Can I have the bill, please?"
And then leave a good tip if the food was great.
Yes, that too. You know, learning English takes time, and that is completely okay.
Yes, I make mistakes every single day. Every single day.
Ryan, tell them about your story, the one from last week.
Oh no. Okay, fine. So I was in a cafe and I wanted to say, "I would like a coffee."
What did you say instead?
I said, "I would like a copy." Copy. like a photocopy.
Oh no!
The waiter looked at me very strangely, but then we both laughed.
And that is the point. Mistakes happen, and that is okay.
The waiter still brought me coffee, and it was delicious.
Small mistakes do not stop communication. Keep talking. Keep trying.
You are not perfect. I am not perfect. Nobody is perfect, and that is fine.
Small steps every day. That is how you improve.
You are doing great. Seriously, we mean that.
Every minute you spend practicing, it counts. It really does. Before we say goodbye, we have a little request.
A very small one. Very easy.
Go to the comments right now and write your favorite food in English.
Just one food. Your favorite. Can you do that?
For example, write, I love pizza, or my favorite food is rice.
See? Easy. And it is great practice too.
And if you are not subscribed to SpeakMint English yet, please subscribe now.
We make new episodes every week, all for beginners, all free.
And share this episode with one friend who wants to learn English.
One friend, just one. You can do it. They will thank you later.
Thank you so much for listening today. You made our day better.
You really did. We love our listeners so much.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today's episode of SpeakMint English.
It went so fast. I didn't want it to end.
Me too. But we will be back very soon with a new episode.
And next time, maybe we talk about shopping in English or travel. So many good topics.
So many. Make sure you are subscribed so you never miss one.
All right, everyone. You were amazing today. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And remember, every word you learn is one step forward. You are doing so well.
Bye-bye, everyone. Go order some food now in English.
Yes, go practice. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time on SpeakMint English.
Bye.